Caitlin.
Sorry, Ashley.
Ah.
I forget.
Nice one, Roger.
That's why we needed some ginger jam. You have like 6 of them? That's
Okay, here's a heartbeat. No heartbeat.
I have 140.
What heartbeat?
Shut up.
Galen, don't know.
It's on recording, Ashley.
Don't touch me.
No heartbeat. No heartbeat.
Why can't I get a strike?
I don't know. Not my fault. Say hi.
Hi.
Thanks. Say hi. No. I'm recording.
You're recording.
I'm recording, just to let you know.
Can you record me, boy?
Sure I can. Do you go when your mom goes? Oh, and